Hello everyone, welcome to VidEmpire. This is our second tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to start generating content using VidEmpire. First, we have to open the software and the basic setup thing that I showed you on the first videos. Now, you have to set the parameters before you start generating videos. By parameters, we mean setting up various options or customizing them to get the final video according to your requirements. In Option tab, you can set all the parameters. You can generate both long form of videos and short form of videos, reels, shorts with our software. For short videos, you have to set the time or the duration of the video you want and number of total images you want to use in your video. You can use two image generation model, OpenAI and stability. Whether you use OpenAI or stability, you have to set the API key as shown on our previous video. On our software, there is an option to save your generated image in a separate folder, which can be used later as well. From this option, you can choose to use AI-generated image or your own custom designed image. If you check this option, software will use AI images for the video, and if not checked, it will use custom library model for the image. By checking this option on, you can auto-upload your video directly to YouTube. So your content creation journey will be completely on autopilot. Our software will keep making videos and distribute it to different platforms. For this, there are some authentication process needed that I will show on the next video. Now, under Advanced Option tab, you will find some more features that you can customize. By default, subtitles will be added to your video. And from this, you can customize the fonts, text color, highlight color, captions, text, stroke color, width, captions, font size for short videos, side border margin, and bottom border margin. And you can also choose the same for long form of videos. The best part of our software is it will auto-generate thumbnails for your videos. From Thumbnail Text Option tab, you can customize thumbnails text font, color, thumbnails background color, text stroke, stroke width, font size, margin, spacing, and position. When everything is done, just click on the Save Advanced Option button to save your settings. Now let's go back to the Home tab. There's an option named Open Source Folder. When you execute it and click on the Run button, it will create a folder on your desktop named VidEmpire. Inside this folder, you will find some more subfolder named Background Images, Background Music, Channel Token, Fonts, License Key, Outputs. Inside Output folder, you will find your videos that are already generated. So after configuring the basic settings, you will have to generate an input file. And this is a game-changing option where you can customize to the moon, and you can literally use the machine learning process to teach our software to bring output according to your requirements. We will discuss how you can utilize this feature professionally on a separate video. But for now, just to make you familiar with the options, the first sentence before the separator is your video title. And each line contains information on the video you want to generate. Here on the first line, we will be generating a long form of video, whereas the second line is for a short video. And in this way, you can set hundreds of lines to command our software to keep auto-generating videos and upload. Now, let's generate a video. First, come to the Home tab and click on the Import Data button and select the input TXT file that we just configured. And click Execute and Process, and it will start generating videos. On the Options tab, if you chose to auto-upload the video to YouTube, our software will automatically upload the video to your channel. And if you chose not to upload to YouTube, our software will simply save the generated video to the Output folder under the VidEmpire folder on your desktop. We will let the software to do its magic and come back when it's done. Welcome back. As you can see from the logs, our video has been successfully generated already. As we didn't select the option to auto-upload to YouTube, the video is stored inside the VidEmpire desktop folder. You will find it inside Output folder. All the AI-generated image that was generated during the video generation process is stored here as well. Inside the project folder, you will find the final generated video. Here's the title of the video that was created. Here is the final video. Double-click on it to open. As we are continuously updating our software, we are adding more animations, motions, overlays, transition to it. Now this is the second video, which is a short or reel that is already generated too by the time. Now go to our desktop VidEmpire folder, then go to Output, Projects. Here you will find the title of the shorts video that is already generated. Well, this is the first tutorial video of our software. We will keep uploading many more tutorials videos soon. Till then, if you still have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do subscribe. And if you still haven't bought the software, buy it now. Price will go up soon and only the early subscriber will get the exclusive price deals. For community engagement, you can join our Discord channel or Facebook group too. See you on the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe.